Good morning everyone. Now today we will going to conduct the another one, that is the surface area of a right circular cylinder. Now today we will going to study surface area of right circular cylinder. In previous class we studied the surface area of cube and cuboid. Now today we will going to study the surface area of a right circular cylinder. Now here you can see one rectangle is there whose height is length is L and the breadth has taken as H. Now this rectangle has been rolled out and formed a cylinder. Okay, so the area of the sheet that give us the curved surface, the area of the sheet that give us the curved surface area of the cylinder. Note, what you need to note, that you can see the length of the sheet is equal to the circumference of the circular base. The length of the sheet is the circumference of the circular base, which is equal to 2 pi r, because circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to area of rectangular sheet, which is equal to length into breadth. So length is what? Perimeter of the base of the cylinder, which is also known as circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r into breadth is what? Height. So we are getting 2 pi r h. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is obtained as 2 pi r h, where r is called the radius of the base of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. If the top and the bottom, if the top and the bottom of the cylinder are there, which is to be covered, means if top and bottom we need to cover, then we, in that case we need to find the two circles, in fact two circular regions. To do that, whose radius is r, thus having an area which is equal to pi r square, means top area of circle is pi r square, bottom area is also pi r square, which gives the total surface area which is equal to 2 pi r h, that is lateral, plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r taken it out common, so we are getting 2 pi r in bracket h plus r, which is total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Total means top and bottom we will also include. After this, we're going to start the exercise 13.2, because in previous exercise we did it the surface area of cube and cuboid. Now here we will do the surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of right circular cylinder whose height is 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. This is already given in the question. We need to find the diameter of the cylinder. So here what is given, that first of all we will write, let the radius be r, or the let r be the radius of the cylinder. So here height is given 14 centimeter and curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. So curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi rh, or 2 pi rh is equal to 88. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 14 is equal to 88. Now cross multiplied, we are getting radius is equal to 1 and diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. So 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 centimeter. So in this way we will calculate diameter. Now see next question. It is required to make a closed cylinder which is tank. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank whose height is 1 meter and the base diameter is 140 centimeter. Means we need to make one closed cylindrical tank whose height is 1 meter and diameter is 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meter of sheet required for the same? So let's do the solution. Here two different units are there, so we'll make the same unit first of all. Height is 1 meter, diameter is 140 centimeter. So convert 140 centimeter into meter, we will divide it by 100, so getting 140 meter. So radius will become 0.7 meter. Now the total surface area, because it is closed, so total surface area is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 in bracket 1 plus 0.7. On putting the value and doing the calculation, we are getting 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1.7, that is 7.48 meters square. This is a simple calculation. We need to be very much careful while doing the calculation. So required sheet is 7.48 meters square. Now see, next question. That is question number 3. One metal pipe is there which is 77 meter long, 77 centimeter long, and the inner diameter of the cross section, means the topper portion, and the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter, and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. You can see figure. I will show you figure also. Find the inner curve surface area. Second one, find the outer curve surface area. And the third one is also there, that we need to find the total surface area. Okay, you can see this is the figure. The top portion, outer, and this is hollow cone. Okay, hollow cylinder. So here, first of all, length we will take, which is a metal pipe. So length is given clearly in the question, 77 centimeter. So it is in the form of cylinder, so height will be also taken as 77 centimeter. Inner diameter is given as 4 centimeter, so inner radius will be 2 centimeter. Outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter, so it will become outer radius 2.2 centimeter, just divided by 2. Now the inner curve surface area is equal to 2 pi small r into h, 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77. On calculating, we are getting as 968 centimeter square. Now the outer curve surface area is 2 pi capital R into h, 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 into 77. On multiplying, we are getting as 1064.8 centimeter square. The total surface area means outer one plus the inner one and the top portion, and the top portion is circular ring, so that can be obtained by using the formula pi capital R square minus small r square. So inner curve surface area plus outer curve surface area plus area of two circular ends, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square, because it is cross sections and it is given as outer minus inner. So just substitute all those values, 968 plus 1064.8 and 2 times 22 by 7, 2.2 whole square minus 2 whole square. So on calculation, we are getting 5.28. On adding up all, we are getting 2038.08 centimeter square. In this way, we will calculate total surface area of this. Now coming to next one, this is question number 4. Now in this question, the diameter of roller is given. The diameter of roller is given 84 centimeter and its length is given 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Okay, so we need to find the area of the playground. We need to find the area of the playground in meter square. So let's begin the solution. First of all, the roller is in the form of cylinder. It is clearly given roller is in to level the road is in the form of cylinder whose diameter is 84 centimeter. So radius will be 42 centimeter. That is 84 divided by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Length will be taken as height. Okay, so that is 120 centimeter. We need to find, as the roller, which part is moving, that is the curve portion. So curve surface area we will calculate, that is 2 pi RH. On substituting all those values, we are getting, after calculation, 2 into 22 into 6 into 120 centimeter square, that is 31,680 centimeter square. Now since the roller is leveling the road or the playground and it take how many revolutions? Complete 500 revolutions. So this is the one time its roll. The 500 times it rolls, so we will multiply by 500. So area of playground level in 500 revolutions is equal to 500 into 31,680. It is in centimeter square, so we will convert into meter square. We will divide by 10,000, so we are getting 1,584 meter square. In this way we will calculate this question. Now see the next one. In this question, one cylindrical pillar is there which is 50 centimeter in diameter, means diameter of the cylindrical pillar is given 50 centimeter and its height is 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of this pillar, and we need to find cost at the rate of rupees 12.5 per meter square. Question is clear. We need to paint the cylindrical pillar whose diameter and height is given. So let's begin the solution. First of all, diameter is given 50 centimeter. So radius will be 25 centimeter because 50 divided by 2, that is 25 centimeter, and convert this 25 centimeter into meter because all units are meter. So we'll divide by 100. So 0.25 meter. Height is 3.5 meter. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Because we need to find the curved surface area, on calculation we are getting 11 by 2 meter square. Now as we need to find the cost, so at the rate of rupees 12.5, so we'll multiply by 12.5 into 11 by 2. So 12.5 for 11 by 2 meter square is equal to 12.5 into 11 by 2. On calculation we are getting rupees 68.75. So in this way we will find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar. I hope till this it is clear. That's all. Thank you everyone.